A for aeroplane.
A for aeroplane.
2 little, 3
Aeroplane
little
flying in the
airplanes,
sky.
4 little, 5.
B for brocolli.
B for broccoli.
Broccoli is a very healthy vegetable. C for camel.
C for camel.
Sheep of the desert.
Sheep of the desert. Camel.
D for deer.
D for deer.
Deers hop really high.
Deer.
E for egg.
E for egg. We love to eat egg.
F for finger.
F for finger.
We have 5 fingers.
Baby finger where?
G for goose.
G for goose. Goose lay eggs. Goose.
H for hot dog.
H for hot dog. It's very tasty hot dog.
I for ice.
I for ice.
Ice is cold.
Very cold.
J for jackal.
J for jackal. Jackal is a clever animal.
K for kitchen.
K for kitchen.
We cook in the kitchen.
Kitchen. King of kitchen.
L for laptop.
L for laptop.
We work on laptop.
Laptop.
M for magnet.
M for magnet.
Magnets are very cool.
Magnet.
N for needles.
N for needles. Doc-
Needles are very sharp.
Needle.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
Octopus has 8 tentacles. P for pomegranate.
P for pomegranate. Pomegranate is a very healthy food.
Q for question mark.
Q for question mark.
Question mark.
What? What is question mark?
R for river.
R for river. River is a very silent place.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
Baba black sheep.
Happy many wool.
T for tractor.
T for tractor. Farmer.
Use tractor. U for unicycle.
U for unicycle.
Unicycle has only 1 tire.
Unicycle.
V for vehicles.
V for vehicles.
There are many kinds of vehicles.
Vehicles.
W for wheel.
W for wheel. It is a big wheel.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
सबको सैर कराया सब लोगों ने
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Hello, honey sing.
Yo-yo honey sing.
Z for zebra crossing.
Z for zebra crossing.
We should cross by zebra crossing. Thank you for watching.